Hi everyone, this is Nitya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics from St. Anne's Arts and Science College. Now we are in the Unit 1, that is Algebra and Numerical Methods. In the last class we had seen the basic, that is the introduction of the algebra. Right? Today we are going to see the summation of series as well as the binomial series in that. And we are going to see binomial, exponential and logarithmic. Today we are going to see the binomial series in the summation of series section. And also we are going to see some problems based on the binomial series also. So let us see the summation of series. So in that binomial series, this also already you have learnt in the lower classes. So when n is a positive integer, x plus a the whole power n equal to x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into a squared and so on up to a power n. So this can be written as x plus a the whole power n equal to summation r equal to 0 to infinity ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So the general term can be written as t r plus 1, t base r plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So in this expansion, nc0, nc1, nc2 and so on, ncn are called the binomial coefficients and they are all integers Now we are going to see the problems. First problem, find the coefficient of x power 11 in the expansion x plus 2 by x squared the whole power 17. So it is in the format of x plus a the whole power n. So we know that the general term, that is t r plus 1 equal to ncr x power n minus r into a power r. So we are taking n as 17 and x as x and a as 2 by x squared. Now we can apply in that formula. So 17 cr x power 17 minus r into 2 power r by x power 2r. So after simplifying, we are getting 17 c power r, cr, and this 2r is here, and x power 17 minus r. This x power 2r can be taken to be the numerator, so x power 17 minus 3r. Take this as a first equation. Now we are going to find the coefficient of x power 11. For that, we are going to equate the x power term, that is x power term is here as x power 17 minus 3r. So which is equal to 11 we are having x power 11. So equate it 11. So from that we are getting the value of r. So 17 minus 3r equal to 11. From that minus 3r equal to 11 minus 17. So that will be minus 6. So minus and minus get cancelled. So 3r equal to 6. Therefore r equal to 2. Now we have to substitute the value in the thing. That is the first equation. So it will become as t r plus 1 is 2 plus 1, that is t3, which is equal to, you can just substitute 17c2 2 power 2 into x power 17 minus 3 2s are 6, that is x power 11. Now just simplify x power 11, that is coefficient of x power 11, that is 4 into 17c2, that is 2 squared is 4, and this 17c2 is 17 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. So after multiplying we are getting 544 as the answer. So this is the coefficient of x power 11 value. Okay. So next question. Find the term independent of x. Find the term independent of x in the expansion. Given expansion 2x squared plus 1 by x whole power 12. So we know that the formula, general term formula, I just write here. So n is 12 and x is 2x squared and a is 1 by x here. So apply that and you just write after simplification to 12 cr. So 2 power 12 minus r into x power 24 minus 2r into this can be written as x power minus r. 1 by x whole power r. Here r is missing. So just write there. So 2 r plus t r plus 1 is equal to 12 cr 2 power 12 minus r into x power 24 minus 3r. Take this as a first equation. Here you are going to find the independent of x. So that is a term without x. So independent of x in the sense term without x. In the last problem we had seen that coefficient of x. So it is beside to that x. Now independent of x is the term without x. So equate the powers of x to 0 now. So what is that? 24 minus 3 power 24 x term. X power term is 24 minus 3r. So equate to 0 now. So r value we can find from that. Now we can substitute the r in the first equation. So we will get t 9 equal to 12 c8 2 power 4. Now we can substitute and get the answer t power 9. Okay. So two problems we got seen in the binomial series. Next also we are going to some infinite series next class. Thank you girls. Thanks for watching.